This is Liz Haddock from Social Work Exam Strategies. In this video, we will review Piaget's cognitive theory of development. Introduction. Piaget's cognitive development theory is a comprehensive framework for understanding how individuals' thinking and reasoning skills develop over time. The theory, developed by psychologist Piaget, is based on the idea that children go through distinct stages of cognitive development, each characterized by different ways of understanding the world. According to Piaget, there are four main stages of cognitive development: sensorimotor, pre-operational, concrete operational, formal operational. The first stage is sensorimotor, birth to 2 years. During this stage, infants learn about the world through their sensory input and motor actions. There are two achievements in this stage. Object permanence is when the child recognizes that an object continues to exist even when the object cannot be seen or heard. An example of object permanence can be illustrated by the game Peekaboo. Causality is when a child recognizes that a specific event can cause other events. For example, a child realizes that they can use their leg to kick a ball to different spots on the soccer field. The second stage is pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. In this stage, children begin to use language, mental images, and symbols to represent objects and concepts. They engage in pretend play and demonstrate egocentrism, or the belief that everyone sees the world the same way they do. Children during this stage engage in symbolic play and can solve problems mentally. There are two achievements in this stage. One of the achievements in this stage is symbolic thought. This is the ability to use abstract concepts such as gestures, numbers, and words to represent reality. An example is children playing in the dirt to make food. The second achievement is animism, which is when a child believes that inanimate objects, such as toys and teddy bears, have human feelings and intentions. Example: a child believing that the sidewalk was mad and made them fall, or that the stars twinkle in the sky because they are happy. The third stage is concrete operational, 7 to 11 years. Children in this stage are able to think logically about concrete objects and events. They can understand concepts such as conservation, the idea that quantity does not change when the shape or arrangement of objects is altered, and classification. The last stage is formal operational, adolescence and beyond. During this stage, individuals develop the ability to think abstractly and engage in hypothetical reasoning. They can consider multiple perspectives and solve complex problems. Conclusion: Piaget's theory emphasizes the active role of individuals in constructing their own knowledge through interaction with the environment. It is based on the idea that children go through distinct stages of cognitive development, each characterized by different ways of understanding the world. Note: 1. The stages always happen in the same order. 2. No stage is ever skipped. 3. Each stage is a significant transformation of the stage before it. 4. Each later stage incorporates the earlier stages. You can create sentences or phrases to help you remember the order of Piaget cognitive theory. One example is, "Some people can fly," a mnemonic for the 4 stages of Piaget's stages of cognitive development: sensorimotor, pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operational. Here is a helpful infographic to help you memorize Piaget's stages of development. I have created this chart, which aims to provide a simplified overview of the stages of cognitive development. Let's test our knowledge. I'll read a question and give you a few seconds to select your answer. If you need more time, press pause and resume when ready. Question number 1. A social worker is working with a 9-year-old child who has been experiencing challenges in school. The child's homeroom teacher has reported that the child has difficulty with logical thinking and understanding cause and effect. Based on Piaget's theory of cognitive development, in which stage of development is this child most likely experiencing, and what might be the most appropriate interventions for the social worker to use in working with this child? A. Pre-operational stage and appropriate interventions would include using tactile manipulatives to help with symbolic thinking. B. Concrete operational stage and appropriate interventions would include helping the child understand conservation concepts. C. Formal operational stage and appropriate interventions include encouraging the child to think hypothetically. The correct answer is B. Question number 2. Which of these is the first stage of cognitive development? A. Sensorimotor. B. Formal operational. C. Concrete operational. D. Causality. The correct answer is A. Question number 3. Children think that the stars twinkle in the sky because they are happy. This concept is called A. Animism. B. Conservation. C. Causality. D. Object permanence. The correct answer is A. Question number 4. According to Piaget, children in pre-operational stage of development are able to do A. Make-believe play. B. Conservation. C. Object permanence. The correct answer is A. Question number 5. Which of the following statement is true about Piaget's theory of cognitive development? A. The sequence of the stages can vary according to the cultural context of children. B. No stages can be skipped. C. He has proposed 5 distinct stages of cognitive development. The correct answer is B. Question number 6. A young child can engage in symbolic play, but cannot as yet take perspective of another person and becomes easily upset by events she cannot control. Which of the following stages given by Piaget applies to this child level of development? A. Sensorimotor. B. Preoperational. C. Concrete operational. D. Formal operational. The correct answer is B. I hope you found this lecture helpful. If you liked our video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we post new content. Please post a review on the comment section. Visit our website to register for our live workshops, study guide, individual tutoring, mock exams, and social work exam prep program. Thank you for your time and have a great day.